Have you ever wondered why adults laugh less than children? Or, as Hannah Berner puts it, when was the last time you had a proper giggle? Today, I'm diving into her book, How to Giggle, a guide to taking life less seriously. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. So what's this book all about? Well, Hannah Berner, comedian and podcast host, takes a light-hearted swing at the serious business of life. She's not saying ignore your problems, she's just convinced we could all use a bit more laughter and a little less stress. Picture it like swapping a heavy winter coat for a comfy hoodie. Let's break down her wisdom into 3 simple themes. First up, give yourself permission to be silly. According to Hannah, adulthood tends to squeeze the playfulness right out of us. She's all about finding little moments to be goofy, whether that's dancing in your kitchen, making up silly voices, or just laughing at your own bad jokes. Imagine a world where every meeting had a minute for giggles. Suddenly, work doesn't sound so bad, right? Second, don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. Life is full of embarrassing moments, spilled coffee, awkward silences, tripping over your own feet. Instead of letting these things ruin your day, the book invites you to see the humor in them. If you can laugh at yourself, you take away the power embarrassment has over you. It's freeing, and honestly, it's a lot more fun. Third, choose joy, even when life is messy. Hannah knows life isn't always sunshine and rainbows, but she argues that you can still find small pockets of joy, even on the rough days. It's about noticing the little things. A funny dog you see on your walk, or that one friend who always sends you memes. These moments matter. Now, why does this all matter? Because, as adults, we often forget that laughter isn't just a reaction, it's a tool. It helps us cope, connect, and sometimes it even heals. By taking life less seriously, we actually become more resilient. Laughter lightens our load, makes relationships stronger, and, let's face it, makes every day a little bit better. So here's my closing thought. What if you tried to find just one thing to giggle about today? Maybe you'll inspire someone else to do the same. After all, as Hannah Berner reminds us, when you laugh at life, life laughs with you. Let me know in the comments what made you giggle today. And if you're curious, give How to Giggle a read. You might just find your smile again. Thanks for listening.